Well, a lapse in judgment could alter a young Canadian tourist's life forever. 23-year-old Brittany Schneider and a British man are facing up to 10 years in prison for spray painting graffiti on an historic wall in Thailand. CTV's Sneha Kulkarni is starting us off this morning with this story. Sneha, what more can you tell us about the couple and what happened?
Well, Marcia, we know this incident happened around 4 a.m. on Thursday morning in the city of Chiang Mai in Thailand. I want to show you the footage here that was captured on security cameras in the area. You can see two people up against a wall there spraying graffiti. The words Scouser Lee were scrawled on the wall along with the letter B. A Canadian, Brittany, Loretta Catherine Schneider, and Briton Furlong Lee, both 23-year-olds, are now in custody facing vandalism charges. Thai police say the pair has admitted to defacing the historic wall. Police say the word Scouser was written on the site and that it is a reference to Liverpool residents, which happens to be Lee's hometown. Officials say the suspects were drunk at the time. Schneider and Lee, as you mentioned, could face up to 10 years in prison if found guilty. The charge also comes with a hefty fine of just over 40,000 Canadian dollars. We're working at this moment to reach out to Thai authorities as well as family and friends of these suspects to get more information. But at this point, it seems that drunken antics could lead to some serious jail time, an expensive ticket, or both for these tourists. Marcia?
So $40,000 and 10 years in jail. This seems extremely steep. Why is it so severe?
Yeah, especially when we talk about vandalism, people would be very surprised to hear this kind of penalty. But the formal charge here is vandalizing a registered historic artifact. I want to point out this red brick wall that was defaced is part of the Ta Pei Gate, it actually dates back to the 13th century. It's part of an ancient wall that forms a square around Chiang Mai's inner city. At this point, Thai police say Schneider and Lee have admitted to the crime, and they are being held in custody. At this point, we're told they do not yet have a lawyer, but we will continue to follow the story. Marcia?
Okay, they're going to need one. Thanks for that, Sneha. Appreciate it.